Hello, welcome to Advanced Cost Accounting. My name is Ed Schmitz, and I will be your instructor for this course. Now, we've already communicated by email, so you know I kind of got into this one at the very last second, but I think I have everything ready to go now. And I like to use these little videos, so I'll be posting these. I'll try and post one every week, just to kind of touch base with you, kind of give you any information I think you need. Currently, if you hear some noise in the background, ignore that. I've got a plumber here and they're having to tear out some walls to replace some drains. So, but I wanted to go ahead and make this video despite the noise of the saw in the background. Okay, here is our D2L course, and here is my introductory post. I'll let you read through it. Basically introduces myself, gives you some tips here for classes, gives my my office hours here, but I am a CPA. I do have my MBA and have been teaching here for quite some time. So this is my first time to teach this class, but I've been a cost accountant in a hospital, 2 different hospitals. I served as cost accountant. So hopefully I can bring some of my experience there to this class and help you understand some real world application. Here is the link to the course I've set up in Connect. This is the PDF that Connect provided for me, so I went ahead and provided that here as well. I think basically it's the same as this link, but if you have trouble with this link, you might open up the PDF and try it from in there. I have set up the calendar here. As you can see, today is Wednesday, June 24th, so it's actually day 2 of our course. This is an 8-week course. So since it's just you and me, the discussions, I know they say they're due day 4. I'm going to make them do day 7, the same as the assignments. You'll also see that next week we have the week off for the 4th of July, and then we come back for the rest of the 8-week assignments here. So I will be revisiting that each week just to touch base with you so that you are aware of due dates coming up. So let's take a look. Let's see, course. What do they have here in the course? Well, let me go up here and get to it. Resource, content. I think the only course documents, they've got the syllabus, and then these are some, the video library that's included here, information about tutoring. I don't know that they have specific tutoring for this. These are the standard policies that are in every course, so hopefully you've read those in previous ones. So let's go to week 1. We're going to look at how to develop cost accumulation and then the different types of reporting systems, and spend some time looking at activity-based costing in week 1. This is the introduction to the course. This is basically the catalog description. If you haven't already read that, here are the learning objectives, what the course is designed to teach you in each of the 2 chapters covered this week. So you can read through that. Let's see, reading. You have 2 chapters to read this week, and if you hold down the Control key and click on this link,
we start the study of the fundamentals of cost accounting.
It opens a PowerPoint slide with a voiceover. So if you find that helpful, great. If not, it's basically an online lecture that comes from the textbook publisher. So those will be included each week. You can watch those, you can not watch those. I will leave that up to you as to whether you find them beneficial or not, but it might be something to go to if you run into a problem and you're not understanding something. But you need to read those 2 chapters from your textbook. For our discussion, here are the discussions. Again, the instructions are the same each week. It says it's due day 4, but because it's just you, I'm going to push that back to day 7. There are no students to respond to, so an original post is all that I expect from you. So don't worry about the 3 separate days. The 250-word length, do try and hit that. And you'll notice there are no questions. There are 2 videos, and you can either, depending on your speed, you can click on the low res if you have slow internet, or if you've got a good internet connection, you can click on the high resolution. Watch the 2 videos, and your discussion will just be a review of what you've learned, basically a mini book report. Just kind of summarize the two little videos and any application you can see based off your experience. I don't know if you're currently working as an accountant or not, but just write a little summary over that. And that'll be sufficient. Then our assignment, and this is a login page for students. If you'll actually go back to the one on the home page, it'll take you straight to our course to do your assignments. And I've already got that opened, and I'm over on the student view. So this should be what you see, and it's set up by chapter. So here are all 18 chapters with the same due date that is in our D2L class. So week 1 is chapters 1 and 2, and they will be due the 29th of this month. And then chapters 3 and 4 are week 2. They will be due the 13th, and there's that big little week-long break in between. So the little I, you can click on that and you can see that chapter 1 only has 2 questions, and in total it's worth 100 points. Chapter 2 has 17 questions, and it again is worth 100 points. So you've got 17 and 2, so you have 19 questions in the first week. And you can see you have unlimited attempts, so hopefully you can get them all correct. Once you've taken that, I will go and transfer the points back into D2L so that you can see your running total each week, combining your grade on the Connect work along with the discussion assignments, and see where you're at in the course each week. And I try to be really good about keeping those up to date. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Here is my email address. This is my cell phone. I do have a full-time job, so please try and contact me during the office hours. Other times during the day I'm going to be at work and probably not. I don't even get a really good signal in where they have us at the hospital I work for. However, I can take text at that message, at that number, if you want to text me any questions, and sometimes it's easier during the day to respond to those, or at least to know maybe you've emailed me and I need to go over and check my email. So I look forward to spending the next 8 weeks with you, and if you have any questions, just let me know.